We're going to make a similar star but with a few other techniques. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to add mesh circle. And we're going for 5 vertex instead of 6 now. Go to edit mode and press 7 to go to the menu. Go to edge selection and we're going to ES, shrink it into something like this. Control R to put just in the middle, it's okay. It's going to select that one. Oh, right done. F to close it. Now we're going to select the same as on the other by pressing Shift, selecting every vertex or edge like that. Control B to bevel it, and same as the other one, not too thick, something like that. Going to select that by Shift, just holding down the Shift button and select these, and we're going to delete edges. Select only the edges, otherwise you get in trouble. Okay, we are at that point. Still the same. Select Shift the top and switch from medial point to individual origin, pressing S to scale them down and bring it narrow to the point. Same with these. Just hold the Shift button down, right click on it, press F to scale them down like that. So this is similar to the other way, and now we're going to extrude. Just before we extrude, we press A to deselect and A to select everything, pressing E, Z in Z direction to extrude, and we're going to extrude it to that. Now we select every edge vertex, this vertex selection, that one, 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 that one. Still holding down the Shift button, release it, and we're going to press S. We're going to switch first of all, escape. Going to switch back again to medial point, and we're pressing S. So we bring them to the center, something like that. Deselect these two. Then we're holding down the Shift button and right click on it, so to deselect them, and we bring them down like that. Okay, select the middles by holding down the Shift button. Do the same. Bring it down also. Okay, probably. Okay, we're going to shrink them, and therefore we go back to individual origin, and we're pressing S to shrink them in that direction. Same over here. We're going to select these again. Shift button pressed in, and we do the same as we shrink them also. Bring them a little more down. I think it's probably better to look. And I probably had too much thinness to the center, so I put them a little more outside. Going to medial point and S to make them a little larger like that, so we get a more pointy look backwards. Now we're going to select these. Same, Shift, hold down. And we're going to select in here the medial point. Okay, we press S and we shrink it to that. Now, this is similar to the other one. Now we're going to change the tool back to as modifier to subdivision surface, and we put back 4. Now, what will be the difference is that you've seen everything is around, and I don't want that. I want a more straight looking star, and for that we're going to Control R, and we're going to select that view, and now we're going to lift that one until top. So we get a very nice clean top like that. Now if we press R, Control R again, and we select the middle, just move it a little bit around like this, like that, you get a more nice look in the top also. So we do that for the 5 stars. Select it like this, and You see that the shape is, you can move it sideways if you want the two sides more vertical, then put one left side, put one on the outside. This is more depending now, like you want it. It's just a more finish and nicer look of your star than the other way around. And now we're going to do the same underneath. So I want the same on top, underneath. So we're going to press Ctrl R again, select that one, and now we're moving underneath. You see? And now I got a more pointy, modern looking style star. Now we're going to add to apply. Yeah, can do that only in object mode, of course. Apply, going to smoothness, and we're going to add a color. We're going to call it yellow, and we're choosing a nice yellow shape with some illumination. More that, and going to look to the camera view, going to lock it by pressing N on the view, select lock camera view. Now we're going to rotate it, we're going to put the star somewhere like this, roll the mouse key, move it up by holding down the shift button. Okay, this is looking okay. Now pressing unlock and pressing 0 while your mouse is at the center of the screen. Now we're going to add the lights and select the light, right click, moving much closer, bring it much closer to that, somewhere over here. Control D to put another one aside, like that. Just bring the both on top of your, yeah, it's looking okay. We're going to add a plane also. So add mesh plane, S to enlarge it, like that. Going to put it a little more lower. Going to add a color, and I'm choosing a more light brown, yeah, like that. Color. Now we have a quick look to render and see if it is looking rather good. Yeah, but I don't want that shape underneath, so go back to 3D view. I'm going to select that one, and underneath you can say shadow. I don't want any shadow, so we're going to have a round, and this is looking like it should be. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye.